All right, so we're going to go over our posture and how to hold our instrument. So whenever we're sitting down, we can't be slouched over. We have to sit at the edge of our seat. So just your bums. Oh, look at that, nice and tall. You guys look like robots. So we want to be nice and tall on our seats, but we're going to do this standing up. So go ahead, stand up. And we're going to think about our yoga mountain pose. And so how we do that, we're going to have our legs hip width apart, just right underneath. Our knees above our ankles. Our hips above our knees. Our shoulders above our hips. And our ears above our shoulders. So mountain pose, everything is aligned up, and we can relax this way. So we can really feel what we're doing. So we have to remember which one's our right hand and our left hand. How do we do that? Our left hand makes an L, right? So that'll help you to make your R with your right hand. So we are going to be using our left hand to hold our instrument. Left, right, Lucian, you know these things. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to put on our shoulder rest. If you use one, go ahead, grab your instrument and your shoulder rest. And to put these on, we want to have it in between our legs with the strings facing outwards. And my shoulder rest has a bend like this. This bend goes up on top of my shoulder, and this part comes down on my chest like this. So what I'm going to do, and it also helps that it looks like a smile when we do this, I place one side on because we have these feet that have little lips on it, and we're going to slide this down. You guys already do it? Yeah, you guys are awesome. So I want you to experiment as you perfect your posture with how angled you want this to be, because everybody's body is shaped differently. So, all right. So how we do this, when we're sitting at rest, we're going to hold it right here. We're going to glue our hand right here, and our thumb is going to be on the back right there. Fingers in front with our left hand. Left hand. Oh, you're fine. All right. I want you guys to stand up. So when we glue our hands, I want you to glue your feet. And let's see what your feet look like. We don't want them to be together like this. We don't want to plie here. We don't want to do like the rock star power stance. Right? What? You do? Is this how you play violin? No? Okay.
Why not? I don't Riker.
No Riker?
No Riker. I do.
All right, so I want you to hold your violin out straight. So this is 1. And then when we turn it upside down, 2. And then we bring it down on our shoulder, making sure that it is high enough. So I'm going to do it this way. It's hard to do this because we're kind of mirrored. All right, you guys do the same as me, facing. All right, so 1, 2, 3. Wonderful. And if you do a slight bend over, you will see that your violin neck is right above your left foot. Good. And I'm going to show you number 4. Number 4 is where you take the back of the violin, and put it against your belly, and wrap your arm around. That's beautiful. This is a very safe way to walk around with your instrument. Wonderful. Let's do that again. Glue your hands. 1, 2, 3. And very carefully, are you able to release your hand? Good. My shoulder rest allows me to not hold it at all. All right, glue your hand again. Glue your hand. All right. And 4. Let's do 4. That is wonderful. Do you guys have any questions? Great. Let me know if you have any questions.